Book of Heaven, Volume 11, October 2nd, 1915. The soul tries to relieve Jesus from the bitterness caused by the sins of man. After I had suffered very much because of the privations of my always lovable Jesus, it seemed that he came for a little while, but in such suffering as to be terrifying. I plucked up courage and drew near his mouth, and after I kissed him, I tried to suckle. Who knows, I might manage to relieve him by sucking part of his bitternesses. To my surprise, I was able to draw a little bit of bitterness out of him, which other times I could not manage to do. But Jesus was in such suffering that it seemed he did not realize it. However, after I did this, as though stirring himself, he looked at me and told me,
"My daughter, I can take no more. I can take no more. The creature has reached the brim, and she fills me with such bitterness that my justice was in the act of decreeing the general destruction. But you arrived in time to snatch a little bit of bitterness away from me, so that my justice might still hold off. However, the chastisements will extend more. Ah, man incites me, he disposes me to fill him and almost stuff him with sorrows and chastisements. Otherwise he will not change his mind."
I hastened to pray him to placate himself, and he, with a moving tone, told me,
"Ah, my daughter, ah, my daughter."
And he disappeared.